The vision when I first started Meridian was to design and engineer an anti-vehicle barrier for war zones. And today we have found that vehicles are really the easiest thing to do damage to people. And so our barriers are right across the world today, protecting people, communities and places. And it eventually became known as the Archer 1200 barrier, which is the strongest mobile barrier in its class in the world.
Our focus is 100% mobile. We want to make a barrier that's quick and easy to deploy by just one person, and the ability to open and close roadways in a matter of minutes.
When you have a vision and you have an idea and you have to have it engineered, we also have to learn how to execute it. We've got to make sure that our factories are primed, ready to execute with the greatest precision, the greatest integrity, right, and really understand that our product has to perform. So our steel and where we make our product is exceptionally important because we have to meet the standards of the Department of Defense. And for that to happen, we want to make sure that we had American steel, and specifically AR-500 steel, which is the steel that you need to have armor-piercing 50 caliber rounds not penetrate and do damage to people. There is no room for error in what we do. Every single piece is quality checked twice to ensure that we can live up to the performance that the product stands for.
The Archer 1200 is a very simple product, but it is made up of 40 different very specific parts. It can be easily moved by one person, but it's strong enough to stand up to a truck or a car.
We moved to robotics to ensure that we had the most precise cuts, the most precise procedures. This is a product that is 100% American made to the highest standards using the highest technology. So we have an opportunity to customize our product for any city or any locations. So we made a very conscious decision to actually go out and powder coat our product. And when we say powder coat our product, we wanted the paint and the powder coat to stick. And to do that, we actually bake it in an oven that's 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 240 degrees Celsius, to ensure whatever we do with our paint, it just sticks, because durability in any type of climate is paramount for the performance of our product. We stand for quality at Meridian on everything that we do, and we're proud to say it's American made.